ibang bansa via Kapatid TV5. O mga misis, ano bang ganap natin dyan sa bahay? Kayo ba'y nakapagluto na? O kaya may pananghalian na ba kayo? Abay kung wala pa ay abangan nyo ang recipe na ituturo ko ngayon na napakasarap na
yan na.
tinola sa gata.
Tinola sa gata.
Yun, tinola sa gata.
Kakaiba
Super.
yan, ah.
Alam niyo, grabe, ang putok-putok ng show natin ngayon, in all fairness.
diba?
Siksik
Oo.
na siksik talaga.
Siksik, liglig. Kaya naman sa mga misis dyan na naghahanda ng tanghalian, dapat mag-relax-relax pa rin kayo. Magtimpla kayo ng juice or iced tea, tapos bumarap kayo sa TV. And then makabanding kayo sa amin.
nga.
Dapat ganon.
Dahil ito talaga ang official happy place natin ngayong summer, mga mommies.
At mas happy talaga dito sa
Happy Wife, Happy Life!
Sobrang happy.
Happy si wifey, happy si mommy, ang kids at baby, pati si happy. Oh, happy place every day. Happy wife, ang saya-saya. Happy life, ang saya-saya. Happy, happy, a happy morning to you.
Pagdating sa galing sa musika, world-class talaga ang mga Pinoy. Si Lea Salonga, Tony Awardee at sumikat sa buong mundo dahil sa mga pinagbidahan niyang musical plays. Si Arnel Pineda, isang sikat na rockstar at lead vocalist ng American band na The Journey. Charisse Pempenko, kinilalang the most talented kid in the world ng sikat na TV host na si Oprah. At kamakailan nga ay umingay din ang pangalan ni Rachel Ann Go dahil sa kanyang role sa musical na Miss Saigon sa London. Sa Hong Kong Disneyland naman, namamayagpag din ang galing ng mga Pinoy.
No more excuses, more lies. I've learned my lessons, now it's time to make a stand.
Kilalanin natin back-to-back ang mga Pinoy Pride musical artists na sina Rocky Vega at Ronnie Fortich.
Nagsimula akong kumanta nung maliit pa ako, siguro mga 2 or 3 years old. Then I had my first break sa national scene when I joined this national singing competition in 2004. After several years of working here in the Philippines as a recording artist and a performing artist, I decided na kailangan kong mag-grow as an artist, kailangan kong maghanap ng iba pang avenue. And this was possible when I auditioned for Hong Kong Disneyland in 2010. I'm now working in Hong Kong Disneyland for the past 5 years, and it's a great honor, and I'm very humbled to represent our country, the Philippines, in the international scene.
Before Hong Kong Disneyland, I was in the musical theater scene probably from around 2000 to 2005. So I was working with all the theater companies, Trumpets, Atlantis, Repertory Philippine, Actors. I also dabbled a bit in sort of the pop scene, working with, let's say, like Christian Bautista. I did a show with Rachel Alejandro once. The projects like I'm working now on, every year I'll be working on Halloween, Christmas, Chinese New Year. Of course, our big event coming up is our 10th anniversary. So that'll be our biggest offering and a big celebration in the park. It's an incredible feeling. There's nothing like having a bigger picture to what I'm doing, that it's not just making music, it's making music representing a nation.
Welcome back home, Rocky and Ronnie. How does it feel to be back? Of course, welcome then to Happy Wife, Happy Life.
Thank you for welcoming
you.
us here. Thank you very much.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, thank you for making time. You said you came here just for this.
Yes.
We're really honored here on the show. And I just want to ask, how does it feel na nagtatrabaho kayo abroad? Of course, parang OFW na yung dating, you're far away from family as a vocalist and of course, music director. Kamusta naman po yun?
Well, I've been with the park for 10 years now. So when I moved 10 years ago, the park hadn't officially opened yet, but all the Filipinos and all of the performers from around the world were coming in. And of course, that sense of pride to be able to work and with all of them. And it's a great, great feeling, and every day I still enjoy it. So.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a great honor to be working for Disneyland. I have been with them for almost 5 years. I must say everything is magical, everything is amazing in Hong Kong Disneyland. It's a challenging job, I must say, especially when malayo ka sa family mo.
Yun na nga. How often
Often.
does your husband
Oh,
visit?
once in 3 months, I think, or
Oh my
twice in
goodness.
3 months. So, yeah.
Ano pa ba yung mga ibang mahirap about working abroad?
Well, for me, personally, I grew up in an island in Cebu. So, sanay ako sa mainit, no? Tapos, I was really like shocked in a way na yung nag-experience ko yung winter. It's such a challenge for me vocally. So, I really had to hydrate and keep myself warm and just take care of myself because it's a daily routine back in Disneyland. Because we do shows every day, like, kung hindi peak months, we do 5 shows a day. Kung peak naman, 7 shows a day. I initially started with Golden Mickey's as a Tarzan singer. And after that, I became BB, the host of the show. It's a 30-minute show and it's really exciting kasi I get to play along with the Fab Five and I get to sing the signature song, When You Wish Upon a Star.
Tayo'y managinip kasama ang mga bituin.
How does it feel na isa kayo sa mga napili talaga? Na, you said started
Yes.
before pa magbukas yung Disneyland, right?
Well, I mean, just last year, I got to meet the musical director of Disneyland Paris, Orlando, California, and then turns out that also the VPs from Disney Records, Disney Music. I got to meet the high head of Disney Music. It's a nice family of music people, and it feels so good to be the only Filipino there, and to be able to learn from all of them and talk to them about their experiences. I mean, that's a really cool feeling.
For me naman, it's a great honor to be working alongside with different nationalities because I learn from them. There's culture diversity, and then we grow from each other. And then from working in Hong Kong Disneyland, I can say na I've had friends for life na. Oo, kasi family na rin eh. Family na ang treatment namin sa isa't isa. Kami lang magkakasama araw-araw. Yeah.
I'm very proud of you, and I'm sure yung mga mommies din natin dyan na nanonood, very proud sa inyong dalawa. How does it feel na Pinoy pride din kayo, di ba?
Yeah, no, it's incredible. I mean, like for now, to be able to come home and do an interview on behalf of the park it's pretty cool. I mean, and to have Filipinos all around is pretty neat.
I feel the same way too. It's an amazing opportunity to promote Hong Kong Disneyland in the Philippines, in our homeland.
Yes.
And thank you for that. So
Thank you for that.
yeah.
Take a breath, take a chance. I can see there's somebody just waiting to shine. Make a move.
Parang nakikita ko maraming lalo.
Your life, mga pangarap natin magiging tunay.
Of course, we'd like to hear you sing. And syempre, yung kakantahin mong kanta for us and ng mga mommies na nanonood dyan is composed by Ronnie. Yung Find Your Light, right?
Find Your Light.
Yeah, can you tell us a little something about the song?
The song is a tribute to Filipinos everywhere, but it pays tribute to the Filipinos who have worked in Hong Kong Disneyland for the past 10 years, who have all found their light. Now, find your light is a theater term used in theater where directors say to actors on stage, "Oh, find your light, go to where the light is." So, which is a great way to show how many Filipinos have found their light either in Hong Kong Disneyland or all over the world. And Filipinos guests can come to Hong Kong Disneyland and find their light there as well. So. That's the inspiration
And
for the
to
song.
add, I'd like to also thank Ronnie for creating the song, for making all of these possible. Because of that song, Hong Kong Disneyland has been heard again. Thank you.
Wow. I'm excited to hear the song.
Yeah.
Tayo'y managinip kasama ang mga bituin at ang lihimong ginto ay ating tuklasin. Oh, there is magic in you, you've got to share. Just hear it in my song. You'll find your light. beauty just waiting to shine. Make a move.
Parang nakikita ko marami lalo.
Your life, mga pangarap natin magiging tunay kung handa ka nang maglakbay. Tayo'y managinip kasama ang mga bituin at ang lihim mong ginto ay ating tuklasin. Oh, there is magic in you, you've got to share. Just hear it in my song. You'll find your life there. It makes no difference who you are. You can fly, so raise your voice, let it go, let it shine. Tayo'y managinip kasama ang mga bituin at ang lihim mong ginto ay ating tuklasin. Oh, there is magic in you, you've got to share. Just hear it in my song. You'll find your life there.
Wow, she's so good.
Oh,
And that song's beautiful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ano naman ang happy advice na mabibigay nyo sa mga mommies or mga ibang nanonood na mga Pinoy dyan na nangangarap din umabot sa international scene?
One of the best advice, and I was telling Raki a while ago that I learned from a South African friend while I was doing auditions in South Africa, was don't eliminate yourself first. Like, one of the best things you can do is, you know, when you go out in the business, especially of singing, dancing, there's such a tendency to say, oh, I'm not good enough for that, I'm not gonna try, I'm not talented enough, but let that handle itself. But you yourself, you just go for things, you keep working on your singing, keep working on your dancing, acting, all of those skills. Believing in yourself that would be the best advice I could give.
Yeah, for me naman, we have to dream big because I am a dreamer myself, and just follow that dream and be the best that you can be. Just practice, take risks, don't be afraid, and just offer everything to God.
I'm sure madaming na-inspire dyan ng mga mommies, sa mga televiewers natin. And I'm very, very inspired as well.
Talaga nga namang maraming mga bagay that makes us proud to be Pinoy. Isang patunay lamang sina Raki at Ronnie na ang galing ng mga Pilipino ay talaga namang world class. Saludo ang buong Happy Wife, Happy Life sa inyong talento. Mabuhay kayo and keep up the good work.
I've learned my lessons, now it's time to make a stand.
Tayo mga misis, di kasalaga tayong asikaso sa ating mga mister. Lalo na kapag galing sila sa trabaho, talagang pinagsisilbihan natin sila para ma-relax.
Nilulutuan ko, kaya lang hindi na siya masyadong nakukuha sa pagkain ko, parang sawa na sa luto ko.
Hindi pa naman huli ang lahat para kay Mami Lolita dahil meron tayong isang recipe na ituturo sa kanya para naman makabawi siya kay mister. Tayo mga misis, di kasalaga tayong asikaso sa ating mga mister. Lalo na kapag galing sila sa trabaho, talagang pinagsisilbihan natin sila para ma-relax. Ngayong umaga, meron tayong isang misis na namomroblema. Kasi tila yata na bibitin si mister sa kanyang pagre-relax dahil hindi yata nagugustuhan yung mga iniluluto niyang pagkain.
Ako, si Lolita Labadang, 53 years old, nakatira sa Calentong. 6 po ang anak ko. Jeepney driver po ang asawa ko. Tuwing tanghali, nilulutuan ko ng pagkain ang mga anak ko. Pag-uwi ng asawa ko sa hapon, pinagmamahinga ko siya. Medyo binibigyan ng konting masahe para matanggal ang pagod, para ma-relax ang katawan niya. Pagdating ng hapunan ng asawa ko, nilulutuan ko, kaya lang hindi na siya masyadong nakukuha sa pagkain ko, parang sawa na sa luto ko. Ang feeling ko tuloy sa kanya ay parang di siya nagre-relax sa niluluto ko. Kaya hinahanap ko naman siya ng bagong putahe.
Hindi pa naman huli ang lahat para kay Mami Lolita dahil meron tayong isang recipe na ituturo sa kanya para naman makabawi siya kay Mister. Niluluto natin ngayon ay ang tinola sa gata. Ang ating mga kakailanganin, chicken, sayote, bawang, luya, sibuyas, coconut milk, patis, dahon ng sili, mantika, at syempre ang Knorr chicken cube. Ilagay na natin yung ating, kalahati lang muna ng luya. Lalagay natin.
Tapos,
Gigisa. Ito na yung ating bawang. Napakadami nito, Mami. Si Mister ba, anong favorite food? Anong paborito niyang kainin?
ang paborito no, ginataang tulingan.
Wow! Sarap. O, tamang-tama
Mga
ito,
paborito.
gata.
Kaya naman, para maiba naman.
Oo, so at least hindi naman laging
Hindi naman laging islang may
Tulingan.
gata. Oh.
magugustuhan nito. Okay, so lalagyan na natin yung ating manok. Para mag-brown muna siya. Mawala yung kanyang lansa. Buti na lang, Mami, mahilig kayo magluto. So, after nito, lalagay na natin yung ating
Patis.
patis. Okay, ngayon lalagyan na natin yung gata. And tubig. At syempre, ilalagay na natin ang ating Knorr chicken cube upang mas lalo pang mapasarap ang ating lutuin. Yan, lagyan mo lang dyan. Takpan natin at hayaan natin siyang kumulo hanggang sa maluto yung ating manok. Mami, balita ko, di ba, pag uuwi daw si Mister, minamasahin nyo. So ako naman, mag-share lang ako ng tips na ginagawa ko. Sana magamit nyo rin. Yung asawa ko, syempre, pag pagod siya galing sa basketball, ginagawa ko, hinahayaan ko muna siya makapag-isa, mag-relax, mag-isip-isip sa kung ano nangyari sa araw niya. Tapos, pag alam kong medyo naka-settle down na siya, doon ko siya ngayon tatanungin, o gusto mo na ba kumain? O anong gusto mong gawin? Or kung okay lang ba yung araw niya? Ganon.
Ganon din naman ako pag dumating galing sa biyahe. Kaya tanong ko sa kanya kung ano gusto niya doon ng pagkain.
Maganda yung Mami, at least, di ba? Parang wala na siyang iisipin sa...
Sa pagkain.
Wala na siyang iisipin sa pagkain.
Oo.
Pero ang kayo rin, kasi since marunong kayo magluto, ang kailangan nyo lang is magdagdag sa mga alam nyo na.
Oo, tulad nito, pandagdag po tayo ko. Kasi hindi pa ako nakaluto ng tinolang may gata.
Ah, talaga? Ito kasing sabaw, Mami, nakaka-relax to pagkatapos ng mahabang araw sa trabaho. Lalo na kapag yan, may kasamang mga karne na napakuluan. Nakakatulong din siya na sa ating katawan para mas lumakas. Tapos, kung kompleto na siya sa rekado, mabubusog talaga si Mister.
At kakaibang luto yan, kaya maaaring magugustuhan din ang asawa ko yan.
Okay, ngayon, Mami, lalagay na natin yung natira nating luya. And pwede na din natin palambutin yung sayote. Pwede rin kayong gumamit ng papaya. Yan. Malapit na yan. Okay, Mami, ngayon lalagay na natin yung ating dahon ng sili. Pwede rin to malunggay or kung anong dahon gusto nyo. Luto na yung ating tinola sa gata. Ang bango na, Mami, naamoy nyo talaga yung gata.
Ang bango talaga.
Now, taste test time. Oh, Mami. Try nyo.
Ang sarap naman ang niluto mo. Mamayang hapon ito na ang lulutuin ko para sa asawa ko.
Wow!
Para maiba-iba naman ang pagkain niya.
Hanggang sa muli, mga mommies, marami pa akong ituturo sa inyong mga recipes.
Saya ng ano natin, no? Dami messages.
Dami.
Uy, pero mga sisa, bago muna tayo
magpaalam, basahin muna natin yung mga messages sa atin sa FB.
Correct, ang dami na nga eh.
Oo, eto, ako muna.
sige.
Sabi. Eto, mula to isa-isang lalaki na nanonood ng show natin. Lalaki to ha, si Jasper.
Jasper.
So, itong sabi
Hello,
niya.
Jasper.
Hi! Eto. I know it's too late to have a message for your show. But then, I just want to thank you for the information you are giving daily. Alam ko, napakaraming matututunan sa programa nyo. Thank you po. Grabe, salamat,
Thank you po.
Jasper.
Ito naman, RR, para sa iyo to. From Jayana.
Para sa akin?
Oo. Paano po magkaroon ng katulad ng katawan ni RR Enriquez? Sexy niya po kasi.
Wow! Sexy pala ako! Ako kasing ginagawa ko hunger strike. Dapat ganun, hunger strike talaga. Oo, hindi, joke lang.
Lakas mo nga kumain.
Oo,
eh.
di ba?
Ano na,
Kanin.
Gifted ka talaga.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hindi, ganito lang, Gianna. Dapat palagi ka lang manood ng Happy Wife, Happy Life. Kasi marami kami pinifeature dito ng mga exercise tsaka mga
Yes.
workout activities na talaga namang marami ka talagang matututunan.
Correct.
Oo. Pero eto ha, remember, dapat lagi mo lang isipin na ang pagiging sexy, it's all in the mind lang. Dapat you
Right.
still have to feel beautiful inside and out.
Kakaiba ka doon.
Oo, di ba? Kakaiba.
Pero tama yan, sis. Tsaka mga mommies, just eat healthy and lagi tayong dapat positive vibes. Di ba, mga sis?
Correct, tumpak, agree. O, lahat na.
Lahat tayo na, sige.
Yes, salamat po sa lahat ng nag-message. Kaya yung mga mami dyan sa abroad, makibanding kayo sa amin online. Message nyo po kami sa aming Facebook and Twitter. Okay? Huwag kayo mahihiya. Message lang na message.
Of course, mas masaya talaga ang morning kapag tayo magkakabonding.
Dito lang yan sa Ultimate Happy Place para
Happy wife, happy life! Medyo napansin ko na meron kang ano dito ha, language pack Spanish. Mahilig ka ba mag-aral ng Spanish?
Nako, Diyos ko. Siguro, magpa 4 years na kaming married, kami ng asawa ko, who is a Spaniard.
Oh.
Pero hanggang ngayon, kahit siguro a few sentences of Spanish, wala pa rin akong alam. Come to my kitchen.
Yes.
Favorite room in the house, kasi nga, mahilig ako kumain.
Oo nga, no? Pero mahilig ka rin ba magluto?
Yes, oo. It's just that sobrang busy. Pero nagluluto ako every once in a while para sa husband ko.
Healthy living ba kayong dalawa? Or okay lang?
Ako mas, of course, because yun nga, I have yung business ko nga, yung The Sexy Chef, which is a health food delivery service. Kaya nga, kadalasan, yung pagkain ko dito, yung mga dinideliver na nga ng Sexy Chef.